Get ready for an adventure in this rugged 2012 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Finished in the exterior color, Iceberg, paired with a dark charcoal cloth interior, and showing 200,292 miles. The classic FJ Cruiser combines modern design and 17-inch steel wheels. For drivers who love being more connected to the vehicle, the manual transmission puts you in control of your gear changes and adds an engaging driving experience. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful 4.0-liter V6 DOHC VVT-i engine, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and 4WD, giving this FJ Cruiser the capability and control you want when the road gets rough. Inside, you'll find practical features like illuminated entry and steering wheel-mounted audio controls. If you're looking for a Toyota with rugged character and personality, this 2012 FJ Cruiser is ready for you. Contact our dealership for more details.